Hello everyone, I'm Victoria. Today I will introduce an Isuzu 8 cubic meter compression garbage truck. This Isuzu 8 cubic meter compression garbage truck uses Isuzu Euro 5 140 horsepower engine and 5-speed transmission, laying the foundation for 200,000 kilometers without major repairs. With air conditioning and power steering, practical functions. 2.5 tons on the front axle and 4.8 tons on the rear axle, no pressure on heavy loads of the same level. The effective volume of this truck is 8 cubic meter, made of 4mm manganese steel plate, square arc box, strong and durable. Well-known brand oil cylinder and oil pump to ensure that there's no oil leakage for many years, with back pressure valve, strong pressure and more load. Two-way balance valve and the emergency stop button to ensure safety at work. This truck is loved by customers because of its high quality. Is it what you need?